Ingvar Kamprad was a true visionary. He had a dream of making well-designed furniture accessible to everyone. This dream became Ikea, a global phenomenon in home furnishings. Kamprad started small, selling pens and picture frames from his bicycle. His entrepreneurial spirit and innovative ideas laid the foundation for Ikea's success. Kamprad's leadership was defined by his frugality and dedication to his vision. He believed in leading by example, living modestly despite his wealth. He instilled in his company a strong sense of purpose and a cost-conscious culture. His values continue to guide Ikea today. Kamprad understood the needs of his customers. He knew that people wanted stylish furniture at affordable prices. He also knew that traditional furniture shopping could be intimidating and expensive. His solution was to create a company that challenged conventions and put the customer first. Under Kamprad's guidance, Ikea became much more than a furniture store. It became a cultural icon, synonymous with affordable style and innovative design. His legacy continues to inspire, reminding us that even the biggest dreams can start small.
IKEA's design philosophy is centered around the concept of democratic design. This means creating products that are beautiful, functional, sustainable, and affordable. IKEA believes that everyone should have access to well-designed furniture, regardless of their budget or lifestyle. Affordability is a key pillar of democratic design. IKEA keeps prices low by using innovative manufacturing processes and sourcing materials carefully. The company also focuses on creating products that are designed to last, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Functionality is another important aspect of IKEA's design ethos. Products are designed to be practical and easy to use, with a focus on maximizing space and functionality. This is evident in their multi-purpose furniture and clever storage solutions. Sustainability is also deeply ingrained in IKEA's design process. The company is committed to using sustainable materials and reducing its environmental impact. They prioritize recycled and renewable materials, aiming to minimize their ecological footprint. IKEA's democratic design philosophy has resonated with millions worldwide. By combining affordability, functionality, and sustainability, IKEA has made good design accessible to the masses. IKEA revolutionized the furniture industry with its innovative flat pack concept. This simple yet ingenious idea involves selling furniture in pieces that customers assemble themselves at home. This approach has had a profound impact on furniture distribution and affordability. Flat packing furniture significantly reduces shipping costs. Products are packed efficiently, requiring less space during transportation. This allows IKEA to transport more products in fewer trucks, minimizing fuel consumption and lowering the overall carbon footprint. The flat pack system also allows for more efficient storage in warehouses and stores. Products take up less space in their unassembled form, maximizing storage capacity and reducing overhead costs. This efficiency is passed on to consumers through lower prices. The self-assembly aspect of flat pack furniture also contributes to its affordability. Customers are essentially taking on the role of assembly workers, eliminating the need for IKEA to hire additional labor for this task. IKEA's flat pack concept has transformed the furniture industry, making well-designed furniture more accessible and affordable. It's a testament to the power of simple, innovative ideas to disrupt traditional models and benefit both businesses and consumers.
Section 4. The IKEA Experience. A day out, not just a shopping trip. A trip to IKEA is more than just a shopping expedition. It's an experience. The company has mastered the art of creating a unique and engaging environment that keeps customers coming back for more. From the moment you step into an IKEA store, you're immersed in a world of Scandinavian design and clever solutions. The layout of IKEA stores is designed to be a one-way system, guiding customers through a carefully curated journey. This encourages shoppers to explore different departments and discover products they might not have initially considered. Throughout the store, you'll find inspiring room settings that showcase IKEA furniture in real-life scenarios. These vignettes spark creativity and help customers envision how different pieces could work in their own homes. You can touch, feel, and interact with the products, making the shopping experience more tangible and engaging. No IKEA trip is complete without a visit to the restaurant. Here, customers can enjoy Swedish meatballs, lingonberry jam, and other Scandinavian delicacies at affordable prices. The restaurant provides a welcome break from shopping and adds to the overall enjoyment of the IKEA experience. IKEA understands that shopping should be fun and inspiring. By creating a unique and engaging
Section 5. Sustainability at its core, from forest to living room. Sustainability is not just a buzzword for IKEA, it's an integral part of their business model. The company is deeply committed to reducing its environmental impact throughout its entire value chain, from responsible forestry practices to energy-efficient manufacturing processes. IKEA has set ambitious goals for sustainability, aiming to become climate positive by 2030. This means reducing more greenhouse gas emissions than they emit, effectively becoming a carbon sink. They are investing heavily in renewable energy, aiming to power all their operations with 100% renewable energy by 2025. Sustainable sourcing is another key focus for IKEA. They are committed to using wood from more sustainable sources, partnering with the Forest Stewardship Council to promote responsible forest management. They are also exploring innovative materials like bamboo and recycled plastics to reduce their reliance on virgin materials. IKEA believes in creating products that are built to last. They offer spare parts and repair guides to extend the lifespan of their furniture, reducing waste and encouraging a more circular economy. IKEA's commitment to sustainability goes beyond environmental concerns. They also prioritize social responsibility. They work closely with their suppliers to ensure fair labor practices and safe working conditions.
Section 6. Marketing magic, creating a global phenomenon. IKEA's marketing campaigns are as iconic as their furniture. They are known for their creativity, humor, and ability to connect with audiences on a personal level. From their quirky catalogs to their memorable television commercials, IKEA has mastered the art of storytelling through marketing. The IKEA catalog is a global phenomenon. Translated into dozens of languages and distributed to millions of households worldwide, it's more than just a product catalog. It's a source of inspiration and a reflection of IKEA's brand values. The catalog features beautifully styled room settings, showcasing the versatility and affordability of IKEA furniture. IKEA's television commercials are known for their humor and relatability. They often feature everyday situations and relatable characters, highlighting the ways in which IKEA products can enhance our lives. The commercials are often memorable and shareable, generating buzz and brand awareness. Social media plays a key role in IKEA's marketing strategy. They have a strong online presence and engage with their followers through creative content and interactive campaigns. They use social media to showcase new products, share design tips, and build a community around their brand. IKEA's marketing success lies in its ability to connect with its audience on an emotional level. They understand that people don't just buy furniture, they buy into a lifestyle. By creating content that is relatable, aspirational, and shareable, IKEA has successfully positioned itself as a brand that is more than just furniture. It's a way of life.